Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing out there? Bona, OnlyWoodFloors here, and we are day 2 here in Montebello. We were doing an install yesterday, and we're going to start sanding. So let me go ahead and turn this thing around, show you guys what we got. Well, still me. But turn this thing around, just give you guys a quick preview of what we had to do. So yesterday, customer had their contractor do some subfloor work for them. Fortunately for us, I mean, they just did the cover up, but didn't do much otherwise. They didn't clean the bottom of the floor, nothing like that. So that's what we focused on yesterday. So let me show you this plywood. But this is what we got done yesterday. See, we got stuff all over the place, but this is one area we thought we was gonna need a reducer. No reducer. Okay, Bona. There we cut a 2x4, leveled it out. Did a quick heater repair here. Got everything nice and smooth. Hallway, we didn't do much. So today the goal is finish this little section, which didn't do much. And then the hard part is, you see all that wood right there? That all needs to be laced in. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go along and cut every other board just to make it look like if there was never any kind of line or anything like that. So you can see it goes from here all the way to that wall. And then we're also prepping to sand this floor along with the new stuff we're just installing. So let me go ahead and show you guys that part. So got a crew of movers in here. Took all their stuff to the living room, put it all in the corner. They're gonna bring all that stuff that was just in that other room and stack it here and pretty much take it so we could do half of the house, sand half of the house in this hallway, which is covered, you guys can't see. But we're gonna sand this half of the house, put our finish, do everything we need to do, and then turn this thing around. And then we're gonna come back here and then do the other half of the house within a matter of days later. So that's my video update. Everybody take care. Have a good one.